video is going to be a vlog style. So I'm currently at a cafe and we're going to have brunch. And then afterwards, I'm going to conceptualize a Christmas Skillshare class, which I'm going to show you guys. Just a glimpse of what I'm going to teach in my next class. Okay, so this is my setup for painting today. I have my Shinhan PWC. This is the palette, and then I'm going to use this Etchr Lab Sketchbook. And let me show you a quick flip through of my sketchbook. I haven't finished this yet. Okay, so I painted some florals, and this is like a white rose, more florals, and these are the snapdragons from one of my YouTube videos. And then this is, I think this is also on my YouTube channel. And then for this one, I used what the art philosophy watercolor confetti set. So these are the colors. I haven't posted the video yet, but they're pretty good. So this one is just like a doodle. These are just some elements for a Skillshare class. I'm not sure if I'm going to include everything, but I wanted to add some cotton balls and some pine cones. This one is supposed to be a cinnamon stick, but it doesn't look like one, so I have to practice. I have some berries and dried lemon. It looks like orange. Yeah, so my doodles look like this, and I think I am going to make another one later. Okay, so I love this composition and the shadows from this flower. So I guess we're going to paint. I think I want to paint some gingerbread cookies. I'm not sure if I'm going to include that in my class, but maybe we can paint one so I can show you. Okay, so we are filming in a cafe, so I'm so sorry if you can hear some background noise. But okay, so I'm holding my camera, and we are now going to add some icing designs. And I'm going to use this pen. This is the Uniball Signo pen. This is a white, like a white gel pen. So this is a really good brand that some of you suggested on Instagram because it's very opaque. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put some lines on this candy cane. Let's see if it will work. Okay. You can also use gouache, which will, I think, look better, but I did not bring my gouache set. This is just more convenient for me. Okay. It's really just that easy, and you can also add a different design. Just have to add like several layers of this white pen to create a really opaque line. Okay, we're done with this. So let's move on to this Christmas tree. Just going to put some like curvy lines. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working. Need to clean the tip. Let's try it again. Okay, so it seems to be working better. It's not perfect, but anyway, this is just a doodle. Okay, so I made a mistake. Okay. Then we'll just put some like dots. Oh, I think I was holding the pen wrong. That's why the ink wasn't coming out. I think you have to hold it like upright. So I was holding it in a slanted way, so the ink wasn't coming out. Yeah, you have to hold the pen upright so that the ink comes out well. So I'm just putting some random like Christmas balls. Okay, so we are done. So I guess I will end the vlog here, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch out for the Christmas Skillshare class I will hopefully release this month, so you can start preparing for your Christmas gifts. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye!